This tutorial will show you how to use CRS to do a CMA. CRS is the public record database integrated into Paragon. While CRS is available in listing maintenance, search, and results, it's also its own database where you can search for public record information across New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, and Massachusetts. In CRS, you can search for properties, use it for prospecting, and create a simple CMA. Access CRS from your dashboard. To complete a CMA in CRS, begin by searching for the subject property. Type the address into the simple search. As long as CRS can find the property, it will appear as you type. Make the selection and you'll be navigated to the property report. Select comparables from the menu at the top. There are two options, CMA and Client Report and Quick CMA. The Quick CMA is exactly as it sounds. It pulls together a quick and basic CMA for you to share. At the top of the page, you'll see a summary of details and the options to add adjustments. If an improvement was recently made, you can include this. For example, perhaps they recently added a bathroom. Make the selection and enter the amount spent as well as the quality level. Upon clicking Submit, you'll get a change in value based on that improvement. This information comes from costvalue.com, and up to 3 improvements can be added. You'll notice that comps are pulled for you. As you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the full list. How does it find these comparables? CRS uses plus or minus a bedroom and a bathroom, plus or minus 20% for acreage and square footage, within a distance of 0.75 miles, and sold in the last 12 months to find comparables. Those are the automatic parameters it uses, but any of these can be adjusted. Distance can be anywhere between 0.25 miles to 10 miles, and sale date can be anywhere from the last 3 months to 36 months. If you make adjustments, click the Submit button and the list will change accordingly. In reviewing the comps, you'll find some with an icon next to it. This indicates there is MLS data. Click on it to review the MLS data, including the full property report, by clicking on the MLS number. If you don't see an icon, it means the property either hasn't been in the MLS, meaning it hasn't been on the market in a while, or it was listed in the MLS, but the agent did not use the CRS tax autofill, so the listing in Paragon did not sync with CRS. For those properties, you may click on the address to review more details and determine if it works as a comparable. The columns on the comp list can be rearranged by holding down on the header and dragging and dropping. You can customize what displays here in Settings. As you review comps, you can check them, and at the bottom you have the option to either remove what you checked or keep what you checked. Once you're finished, you can email, print, or save it as a PDF to share. Returning to the Comparables menu, let's go through the other CMA option. This option is also pretty quick, but puts together something that feels a little bit more like a traditional CMA packet. Once again, you'll notice that CRS pulls comps for you, and that is based off of the same parameters. Those can be adjusted with the search field at the top. The first column will provide values with the option for you to include the suggested property value. Then you'll see the subject property and each comp. Scroll through the list with the buttons at the bottom. As before, tap the icons to view MLS info or the address to view CRS info. Use the 3 dots to remove a comp. On the subject property, the 3 dots will also give you the option to add improvements and add your own subject property photo. You can choose different views, like the map to see how close they are located, or the list view, which will show the map and the comps. When you're ready, you can click Create Report. This navigates to your list of CMAs. You can add a client, but note that this is only for your reference. There is not a contact list in CRS, and it doesn't sync with your contact list in Paragon. You can also edit. This is where you can review how the report looks, input a suggested property value, enter your photo and contact information, and edit the closing page. For any changes you make sure to click Save Report. When you're ready, click Return to Comparables, and you can email or download the CMA. CMAs can also be removed from your list if needed. Both options are great to provide a quick CMA and paint a picture for your potential seller. Explore both options and see which one you prefer. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please visit the NARN Help Desk.